Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Tesla cruise control not working. So if your Tesla cruise control is not working, what you can do is you just need to head over and have it fixed. So first things first, the traffic aware cruise control determines when there is a vehicle in front of you in the same lane. So it's actually traffic aware cruise control. So to use it, you just need to head over and then make sure that you have the right settings for this one and engage using the current driving speed onto your actual Tesla. So if it's not working, what we can do is you can just head over and then just go over and make sure that you know the limitations. So if a road has sharp curves, visibility is poor or bright light and the camera or sensor is obstructed, it should not be able to work. So what you can do is you can fix your camera or sensor, see if there's nothing that's been obstructed, make sure that the visibility is good and the road doesn't have any sharp curves in order to make it work.